Yes, thank you. We will give you 12 different streaming all of those just come with a subscription, and you get them as free add-ons. But what we're working on now is we're still running all these apps, so it's how do you manage them? And how do you remember that your Hulu, you paid for the $2.99 ad-free upgrade, and all those pieces that just complicate consumers' lives. So this is not just about right.
Would you like to see me take it off the wall and put it on my license?
Right. There are two popular ones, Roku and then Android TV.
Right.
So both are app siloed based because our vision is before our vision, because both operating systems are purely designed for entertainment. It's mainly to watch Netflix. And
they're just to launch apps.
But what we are thinking is it should be beyond entertainment.
Okay.
When you put a wireless screen on the wall, can it access your Amazon account? Can it access different accounts? And can it create personalized experience for you based on your personal data? And that should be beyond entertainment. For that, it has to be resembling your laptop, which is why we built this browser-based operating system, and which is why we created an agents here. So this is the
I saw you on the screen doing
agents will be operating on top of your data, all locally. So like we have a native AI chips that are built into the TV. So now you can connect your Amazon account, you can connect your Netflix. So let's say a simple thing is subscription manager there. Subscription manager, you can see that here. Now I connected my Netflix to Disney Plus. Now it's watching out for me.
Okay.
Right now, it says that now Hulu you're not using it. It's recommending me to cancel it, but it's not forcing me to cancel it.
Okay, very interesting.
So these are all possible only if you have control on your, I mean, when I say you, the agent has control on your personal data, but it has to be done locally. And that is why the browser-based operating system, local AI chips, your personal data, all combined together with public content, then it becomes a meaningful, personalized experience. Which is why we designed our own operating system.
Sure. Okay, so something like this would actually be very interesting to charters investors, not as part of the TV, just as licensed software. Is that something you want to talk about?
That is exactly our direction as well. The reason why we even actually, he's showing the another product line that we launched. So we launched a TV,
flat screen TV.
but the vision is to bring our operating system to every screen.
Okay.
Saves you the trouble with like hacking up the wall or having to oh my god, you're guaranteed to get your deposit back.
Make any TV as wireless too.
Got it.
The reason why is because we'll be able to bring our operating system to any TV.
Okay.
So yeah, so that is the direction that we're going after.
I love technology.
Charters wants to take our operating system and
So we got handles on either side. On the top of this handle, there's a button. When I engage that button, it's going to say press and hold the joystick to detach. That joystick is right here. So I'm going to do that. Gives you a little countdown to let you know it means business. Yeah. TV's about 25 pounds, so I've got it. And just pops up.
I'm reaching over the desk.
That's right, hit record, it's happening. So what you're looking at is our proprietary active vacuum technology. So as you heard earlier, quite literally air seals it to any smooth flat surface. And it's a battery powered TV. So still going. Now I'm gonna put it back up the exact same way. I've got this button right here. When I hit the button, it's gonna say pull the joystick down to attach. That light in the middle, that's my digital level to make sure it's nice and straight.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna level it out. We're gonna lean into it. And as soon as those go from red to blue, I'm gonna pull my hands away. And your TV has a brand new home. Pretty wild.